Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring Bgmi is up to date and has required audio permissions. This prevents OS-level overrides. Once done, open the game settings and go to Audio. Lower master volume, music, and sound effects to 0 or toggle mute. This cuts all game audio immediately. Also switch off voice chat and any spectator sound so incoming streams don't play. Make sure you save changes before exiting the menu. Otherwise, the sliders can revert when you relaunch the match. Next, control sound at the system level to stop background playback. Use the device media volume or toggle Do Not Disturb so Bgmi can't output sound while minimized. If audio still plays, force stop the app and clear its cache from settings right arrow apps. That removes stuck audio sessions. For Android, disable background audio or restrict background activity for Bgmi. For iOS, check background, app refresh, and app-specific sound permissions so nothing keeps playing when the app is not active. Finally, restart your device to reset audio drivers, reconnect or unpair Bluetooth headsets to rule out external audio routing. If issues persist, back up your account and reinstall Bgmi. This resolves corrupted settings. Make sure Game Booster or third-party audio apps aren't forcing sound on. If you want one troubleshooting tip, test media audio in other apps after restart. If other apps are silent too, the problem is system level. If only Bgmi plays sound, reinstall or
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.